Welcome everyone back to the Loan for Cards YouTube channel. We are playing Drug Dealer Simulator. It's been a long time since the newest patch came out, so I'm going to talk about the new patch 1.0.5.3.5. Actually, they shortened up to 1.0.5.3, but it's actually with a 0.5. They made a lot of changes to this. This patch here, we're going to go over a couple of bug fixes and some optimization that they added to this patch, and still no new content with this. So let's go over a couple of things that they went over. I'm not going to cover every single one, but I'm going to highlight a couple of the big ones that they made changes to it. So let's go right into it. So we're going to go straight with the optimization of this game. As you know, the previous patches of this game, it actually ate up a lot of CPU and GPU on your game, and when you launched it, it actually slowed down your computer or overheated. There's a lot of issues with some lag and things like that. So what they did is they actually did some optimization to the game script to make the game run a little bit more smoother. They added some level streaming layers for loading and unloading for the maps, so that way it lowers the memory usage and for better performance. And overall, I see the big difference between the CPU and GPU usage. It used to hit like around 70-80% on my CPU. Now it's around 40 to 50. That's what I've seen. Also with the GPU, it actually less than half of it. So also adding to it, as you know, the Portuguese and the Brazilian Portuguese language has been added back. Initially, they had it in the beginning, but there were some issues with it. But now, all you Portuguese speaking people can actually enjoy the game now, back to the language content they'll be adding to this. Also, they are going to be adding more languages to this game, but we'll see how long that's going to take for them to add to that. All right, so let's go to some of the bug fixes that we have here. There's some issues with the game level and the Bitcoin amount when you load your game, when you hit the continue button. I know a lot of people hit the continue button. I never use the continue button. I just use the load game and then go from there. The continue button is supposed to just load up your first save, so that way it goes to directly to the save zero. So that's actually fixed now, so you guys can work on that. But I still recommend that you do the load instead of using the continue button, just so that you can load your right game since you have multiple game saves. There's also a fix on the bug on the HUD task where it wasn't refreshing properly, causing the waiting package delivery. I still see that problem here and there. I have a very old save that I have, and it's still having that issues. But I think with the newer versions from 1.5, I think that problem that you had with the waiting package delivery has been fixed. All right, so the main one I really want to talk to, there's a couple of more other bug fixes that you can cover. You can actually see the whole list. I'll put the link there, you can watch. But the biggest one they actually fixed was the backpack bugs and the money glitch bugs. So basically, when you put a backpack in your inventory to your cupboard, you can resize the actual inventory so you can actually move it. And I created a video about that on the exploit of how to make your inventory larger for like unlimited. So they actually fixed that issue with the backpack, moving it from your cupboard back to your inventory, vice versa, to make your cupboard fix. So that they fixed that bug. Also, they fixed the bug where you cannot duplicate any money or drugs or things like that, which that's an exploit that I showed the video regarding how to duplicate money and things like that. So as you can see, you can no longer put things in a backpack and put it into the cupboard or any of your inventory space. So they eliminated that. Other than that, I think this bug is really good for the optimization part of it. And I know they're still working on getting new content. There's a roadmap up there. So hope you guys enjoy this patch. I know it's been a long wait. I know they've been saying this update for a long time, and they had to take a break. So hopefully they get back to it and create some more update and more content for you guys. So hopefully that's it. Hope you guys stay safe out there. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and then I'll bring out more Drug Dealer Simulator content for you guys once it comes out. And that's it. You guys stay safe out there. See you guys next time. Peace out.